Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard using the pivot tables, pivot charts and slicer, and this is a data set I will be using to create my dashboard, and this data set will be available for you guys in the description section of this video, so you can go and get this data set and you can work on it as you watch this video. So this is a salesman data set, guys. We have some transaction data regarding each salesman, and we have the, let me make it closer for you. We have the salesman here, and we have the date ordered. We have the products sold by each salesman. We have the regions. We have the purchases. We have the sales amount. We have profits. And finally, we have quantities, right? The number of items sold by each salesman. And so this is a data set I will be using to create my dashboard, guys. And I have key performance indicators here, guys. I defined them and I'm gonna create my dashboard based on these key performance indicators. So first of all, I have a sales by region, I have sales by products, sales by year, profit by region, profit by product, profit by year. So those are my key performance indicators, and I'm gonna go and create a chart for each of them. First of all, guys, I need to have a dashboard to insert all my charts. First of all, I'm gonna go and create a new Excel worksheet on the left side by clicking on this plus icon here. This will be my dashboard area. I'm gonna go and change the name of this Excel worksheet, make a right click on it, and then I'm gonna rename it, and I will call this dashboard. So this is a place where I will be inserting all my pivot charts basically. So this will be my dashboard area, and I'm gonna go to view section, and then I will remove all the grid lines because I wanna have blank clear page for my dashboard. Then I will go to home, and then go to insert, go to shapes, then I will go and insert the rectangle. Once you select it, nothing will happen. You need to go and draw your rectangle. I will make a right click on it, and then I will edit the text. I will call this salesman performance analysis, performance dashboard. Then I will go to home section and I will increase the size of my text, and then I will align it to the middle. Okay, salesman performance analysis. So this will be a header for my dashboard, guys. So make sure that you set the zoom of the page to 80. So this is important, and then you can fit all your charts into one page. So this is my header for my dashboard. So let me go to salesman dataset, guys. So I'm gonna start with developing the first chart. I'm gonna go and create a chart for sales by region. And to do that, guys, I need to go and select one of the cell on my dataset, go to insert on the ribbon, then go and select the pivot table option, and it is available on the left top corner of the page. I'm gonna select it. If you are in the Windows, guys, it will automatically detect your data set. You don't need to make any change on this section. So if you are on the Mac, guys, go and click on this area, and you'll see that your all data is automatically detected, and then press enter on your keyboard. And then I will say okay. And this is a pivot table area, guys. This is an area where I will be inserting my pivot table. So as you can see, I have a pivot table area here, and then I have pivot table fields, and those are the fields names. Those are coming from my data set. As you can see, I have salesman, date ordered, university. So those are all the fields names that I have in my data set. So as you remember, we are gonna make a chart for sales by product, right? sales by region first. Sorry, sales by region. And then I'm gonna go and select the sales first, guys. And we have several areas here. We have the columns, values, rows, and filters. Anything you put to the filters, it will be shown as a filter. And then anything you put to columns, and it will be shown on your columns. Anything you put to rows, and it will be shown in the rows. Anything you put to values, and they will be shown as the values. So I have selected the sales, and it shows me the total sales made by all the salesmen. And then because I want to look at the region, I'm going to go and select the region. You can select it from here, or you can select and drag and drop it to the rows area. And I want to insert them into the rows section. And those are the sales made in each region. I'm going to go and select the numbers here, and then I will go to home section. And then from this menu, from general section, I'm going to go and make it currency, because I want to see them as currencies. Next thing, guys, I'm going to go and create a pivot chart based on this table. You need to go and select one of the cell, and then go to pivot table analyze section, then go and select pivot chart from here. And this is my pivot chart, guys. As you can see, you can, if you are on the Windows, and it will show you some options of the different charts, and you can go and select any of them. If you are on the Mac and you need to go and select design, then you will see that you can change your chart type. You can go and select any of the charts. I will be selecting bar chart, because I want to see them in this way. Okay. And then I will delete redundant items in the chart to make it clear. For example, I will select this and delete this from here. And I will change the title of my chart. I will call this sales by region. And then, okay. So it is very important to make your chart as clear as possible. So the most important point is that expressing information to the users clearly, right? So make your charts as clear as possible. And this is my chart, guys. This is sales by region, and you can insert some data labels as well to make it more clear. If you are on the Windows, you can make it when you select your chart, and you will see that there will be a plus sign here. You can click on it and you can insert some chart elements. However, if you are on the Mac, you need to go to design section, and then you can go and select the add chart element, and you can go and select data labels. For example, you can insert data labels. I'm going to insert it outside end so that I can see the numbers here, sales amounts here, right? And also, guys, if you go to design section, you can go and select different design options for your chart. As you can see, we have different design options. You can select any of them. However, I'm gonna continue with this one, with the first one. And also in this design section, you have a change colors option, and you can go and change the colors of your chart. And then I would like to sort this chart, guys. I would like to show the largest sales at the top. Okay, to do that, I need to go to this numbers area, make a right click on it, and then go and select the sort. And I will select the smallest to largest. In this way, it will be sorting and showing it from largest to smallest. It looks like the salesman made the most sales to the Africa, as we can see here. So this chart becomes more clear now, right? I can easily identify the highest sales in what region. So my chart is ready. I'm going to copy this, Control C, and then go to my dashboard, and then just paste it here, Control V. So my first chart is ready. As a next step, I can go and create a chart for my second KPIs, second key performance indicator, and it is sales by product. So I will go and create a chart for sales by product. I am going to follow exactly the same steps, guys. You need to go and select one of the cell and then go to insert and go and select the pivot table. Then, okay, I'm not gonna make any change here, but make sure that your entire data has been selected and then press enter. Then just say okay. And in this menu, as you can see, sometimes you just lost the pivot tables area, guys. And in this, yes, let me close this one. Sometimes you just lost the pivot table field section. For example, if you click anywhere, you will lost it. To get it back, you need to click on pivot table area. Okay, this is how you can get it back. So in this time, we are going to select the sales because we want to make the sales by product. And then I'm going to go and select the product and drag and drop it to my raw section. So this is my table. I would like to see them. I would like to see them as the currencies again. I will select them all, go to home section, and then I will change it to currency. And also I'm gonna sort it in a ascending order, make a right click and go and select from smallest to largest. And then guys, I will go and create a chart for this table. Go and select any of the cell on your table, go to pivot table, analyze, and then go and select the pivot chart. It is on the right top corner. It will automatically insert the chart on the Mac. If you are on the Windows, you can go and specify the chart type. I click on this chart and then go to design section, guys. I will go and change the chart type. From the chart type, I would like to insert pie chart in this case. Okay, so this shows me the sales made in each product category. And then guys, because I would like to have a consistency in the design and colors of my dashboard, I will go and select different design colors for this one. Go to design section, go to change colors, and I will pick the first gradient color. So this was the one that I have selected for my first chart as well. So that the consistency of the colors in your dashboard is also very important. And then let's go and change the title of this. I will call this sales by region, product. Okay, and then I have this one. However, it's not clear what percentages we have here, right? So I need to go and insert some data elements to make this chart more clear, more understandable. Go and select the chart, go to chart elements, and then go to select data labels. Then I will select, you can select outside and it will be showing the numbers, values. And also guys, you can go and select the data callout as well. So in this case, it will show, it will be showing the percentages of each product, right? So you can select any of those fields, right? From this field, you can decide about it based on your aim. Let me select outside and legends, data labels and outside end. So okay, I would like to leave it as it is. I'm gonna copy this one, Control C, go to my dashboard, and then I will paste it here, guys. So this is my second chart that I have created. So I'm gonna put it here. So I have two charts so far. I will go to my data set. I will go and create a chart for sales by year. Go and select one of the cell and then go to insert. Go and select the pivot table. from here, guys, and then make sure that your entire data has been selected. Click, press enter on your keyboard, and then go and say OK. And in this time, I will go and select the sales, and then I will go and select the date ordered, and then I will drag and drop it to my row section. So because I want to see the sales by years, so as you can see it here. So I just want to leave the years here, guys. I'm gonna delete the rest of other fields. So for example, I have quarters. I will just select it and just leave it to this place, and it will remove it. Or you can make a right click on the item that you want to remove, and then just remove the field. So I just left the years here. So, and then I will go and select these numbers, and then go to home, then change it to currency first, then go and select one of the fields, go to pivot table, analyze, pivot chart. So it's inserted it automatically. However, I'm gonna change the chart type. Go to design on the ribbon, and then I will go and select change chart type. I will select line chart, and then I will insert a line chart because this is a year's data, and I have time series data, and I want to see the trend on the sales, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So when you have some dates, when you have some years data, it is always good to have to create line charts. So this is my line chart, and I will go and change the title of it. I will make it sales by year. So this is the title of my chart. I will go and select this and delete this because I don't want to have unnecessary items on my chart, because I need to make it as clear as possible. Then I will go and select the same design color that I have selected to my other chart. Okay, then I will copy this, Control C, then go to my dashboard, and then I'm gonna paste it here, Control V, and I would like to put it to this section. Okay guys, I have created 3 charts so far, and they are about sales by region, sales by product, and sales by year, as you can see here. Okay, of course you can go and play around the design of your dashboard. You can play around the alignment of your charts. Okay, we have created 3 charts so far. Let me go and create other 3 charts for my dashboard, guys. I will go to my dataset. I'm gonna follow exactly the same steps. However, in this case, I will be focusing on the profit by region, profit by product, and profit by year. And also I'm gonna create same kind of charts for each of them. So let's go and select one of the cell, then go to insert, then pivot table. I'm not gonna make any change here. Go and click on this area. Make sure that your entire data has been selected, and then press enter, then say OK. And in this window, guys, in this time, I will go and select the profit. Then I will go and select the region first. When you select it, it will automatically put it to the value section. However, guys, we want to have it in the row section. Just go and select it and drag and drop it to your rows area. I put the wrong one. Go and select the region and put into your row area. Then I want to see them as numbers again. Go to home, go and select the general, then make it currency. Then go and select any of the cell. Go to design, pivot table analyze section. Go and insert a pivot chart. Okay, it inserted a chart. However, I would like to change it to bar chart. This is a column chart. However, I will be changing it to column bar chart. Go to this section, go and select the column, then go and select the bar chart. And also I want to insert, I want to put it into descending order. Go and select any of the cell in this amounts, make a right click, go and sort it from smallest to largest. So in this way your data will be sorted according to that. And I'm gonna delete unnecessary items, for example total, select and just remove it. And I will change the title, profit by region. And also I will be inserting data labels. Go to design on the ribbon, go and insert data elements, chart elements. Then I will be inserting data labels. I will insert it outside end. So this will be my final chart. And I will copy this guys. So before that, I will go and change design color of it. Go and change colors under design section. I will select the change colors. I will go and select the red one in this case, and this is about profit by region. And then Control C, copy your chart, go to your dashboard, and then just paste it there. So this is my chart, and this is about profit by region. And this was a sales by region, and this is a profit by the region, guys. So as you realize that I have selected different colors, and the blue color represents my sales, and the red one represents my profit. Okay. So now let's go and create the rest of the charts, and let me open my data set. So I have 2 KPIs left, and I'm going to create KPIs. I'm going to create charts for these KPIs. So profit by product and also profit by year. So let's go and create a chart for profit by product. I will go and select any of the cell on my data set. Then I will go to insert on the ribbon. Then go and select the pivot table option on the left corner. I'm not going to make any change, but make sure that your entire data has been selected. And then press enter. And then let's say OK. So we are going to create a chart. As you can see, guys, I'm not able to see my pivot table field section. OK, it came up now. In this case, guys, I will go and select the profit. And then I will go and select the product. And then I am going to drag and drop it to my row section. And this is my pivot table about products, right? And it shows all the sales made in each product category. I will go and select these numbers. Then I will go to home section, and then I will make it currency, because I want to see them as currencies. And then I am going to sort this data from smallest to largest. Make a right click on these numbers, and then go and say sort, and then I will be selecting sort smallest to largest. Then I will go and select one of the cell, guys, then go to pivot table analyze section, and then we are going to go and select the pivot chart. And this is a chart that has been created. However, I will go and select the type of this chart. I would like to change it to pie chart, guys. Go and select your chart, then go to design on the ribbon, then go and select change chart type. Then I will go and select pie, and then I will be inserting a pie chart. And first of all, guys, I will go and change the title of my chart, and I will call this profit by product. And then I will go and insert data labels, because I'm not able to see anything, so it's not clear what they are representing. Go and select add chart elements and data labels. Then I will be selecting outside end. Or also you can select data callouts as well, guys. But I have done for another pie chart. Like you can select this one as well. So it is all up to you which one you want to pick. But make sure that your chart is clear, right? It is easy to understand. And then I'm gonna go and change the color of this chart. I will select this chart, then go to change colors options, and this is available under the design tab on the ribbon. I will go and select the red one. Okay, this represents my profit by products, as you can see. And then I will copy this one, guys, Control C, and then go to my dashboard. Then I will paste it here, Control V. And this chart presents my profit by product So I'm going to insert another chart, and it will be about profit by year. Guys, I'm gonna repeat the same steps. I will select one of the cell, then go to insert pivot table, and make sure that your entire data has been selected, and then press enter. Then just say OK. In this case, we are going to select the profits, and then I will go and select the date ordered, and then I will drag and drop it to my row section. Then I will delete the quarters and data ordered from the rows. I will leave just the years here because I want to see the yearly profits. Then I will go and change the type of these cells. Go to home section, then go and select currency. So okay, I have changed it to currency. Then guys, select one of the cell, then go to design, go to pivot table, analyze, go and select pivot chart. So my chart has been inserted. However, I will be changing it to a line chart. Go and select the line chart from, go to design, and then go and select change chart type, and then I will go and select a line chart. Because when you have a time series data, it's always good to have line charts because it shows the trends in your sales, right, in the profit. So I will delete the unnecessary items on my chart because the point is to making it as clear as possible. And I am going to change the title of the chart. I will call this profit by year. Okay, basically this shows me the profit. This shows me the trend in the profit according to the years. Right. My chart is ready. I will make sure that I will go and change the colors as well. I'm gonna set it with the same colors that I have done for other profit charts. I will go and select the red one. Then I will copy this, Control C, go to my dashboard, then I will paste it here, Control V. Okay, I have created all my charts, guys. However, those charts are showing me the total sales and total profits in the region, in the product, and in the years. However, guys, the point is that because this is salesman performance analysis, I would like to see individual people activities in the sales and profit and in the region and product and year categories, right? And to do that, I need to go and insert a slicer so that I can select any of my salesmen and then I can see their activities, right? So I'm going to insert another pivot table for the slicer. Go to your data set and go and select the insert and then go and select the pivot table. Make sure that your entire data has been selected, press enter, then say OK. And in this time, guys, we have a pivot table area here. In this time, we are not going to create a pivot table. However, we will go and insert a slicer. Make sure that you are on the pivot table analyze section on the ribbon. And then you are going to see a insert a slicer option, and you will see it at the middle of your ribbon. Okay, go and select the insert slicer, and you will see that all the field names coming from the data set. I will go and select the salesman, and then I will say OK. So those are my salesman. I have it as a slicer. I will copy this slicer, Control C, or make a right click on it and then say copy, and then go to your dashboard and paste your slicer here, guys. Okay, I have my slicer, and also I have my charts on my dashboard, right? If I go and select any of those people, it looks like it is not interactive yet because we didn't link the slicer with all my charts. Go and select the slicer and then make a right click on it, and then go and say report connections. We need to report connections, guys, to be able to link it to all our charts. Go and say report connections, and then in this window we need to select all the pivot tables that we have created so that we can link it with our slicer. I have selected them all, then I just say OK. Okay, guys, now my charts are linked with my slicer. When I go and select some of the salesman, and you'll see that the data is changing. Data will be changing according to that. So if I go and select this people, this guy, so I will be seeing this guy's sales activities and profit activities, right? So the data will be changing according to that, according to the slicer. So this is how you can develop a dashboard, guys, and this is basically how you can develop a complete dashboard. So the colors of your dashboard is also very important. The design of your dashboard is also very important. So for example, if we go to design section, if you go and select any of your chart, if you go to design section, I could make it like that. I could select different design options for each of them. So in that case, it will be really complicated. You know, there shouldn't be any consistency in my dashboard. So it is very important to provide consistency in the design of your charts. So as you can see, the blue color represents my sales, and the red one represents my profit. So this is how I organize it, my dashboard. So the design of your dashboard is also very important. The use of colors, the design type of each chart is very important. Make sure that they are consistent, okay? They are clear and easy to read. And another thing that I want to show you here is that there is a quick way of setting a theme color for your dashboard. So first of all, guys, make sure that don't make your charts very colorful. Don't use different colors like a rainbow. Okay, don't make it in that way. However, make your chart, make your dashboard, make your dashboards clear and simple. Go and click, just go and select one theme color and then use the shade of that color like I have done it here, right? So for example, I have selected blue color and then I use the shade of that colors in my charts, as you can see. So this is important. Don't make it very colorful. And then there is a quick way of changing setting the colors of your charts, guys. If you go to page layout section, and you will see that there will be a themes option available for you. If you go and click on it, and then if you go and select any of them, guys, for example, I will be selecting this one. So my entire dashboard's color will be changing according to that. So as you can see, guys, it sets me a green as a theme color and then use the shade of it. And this one represents my sales and this one represents my profit. Then I will go and select different color from here. Let me select this one. Let's see how it will look like. So my entire dashboard is changed according to that color, according to that theme color. Let me try one more stuff from here, guys. Okay, so this is how you can change the theme color of your dashboard, guys. So this is basically how you can develop your dashboard. This dataset will be available under the description section of this video, guys. You can go and download it and you can work on that data and you can develop your dashboard. Just practice it, and practice will make you perfect. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, go and like my videos, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn more about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.